Did you ever wonder why Santa Claus is red and white? Well, it's because of the mushroom Amanita muscaria. It's widely known, it's used in Christmas ornaments. The reindeer eat the mushrooms and makes them hallucinate, and they think they're flying and they're dancing around just like they're flying. So that's where the myth came from, of the reindeer eating the mushrooms and flying Santa's sleigh. It's a wonderful concept, and that's the magic of Christmas. It's the most famous pop culture psychedelic mushroom. The iconic toadstool with a red cap and white dots is called Amanita muscaria, otherwise known as fly agaric. It's known for its hallucinogenic properties, but it also has toxins classified. The story of Santa Claus, the man who travels from the North Pole with his flying reindeer bearing gifts for each family delivered via a chimney, is a lesser known story about Santa, how might have actually been a psychedelic mushroom eating shaman from Siberia. The depictions of the red and white mushrooms in the antique European Christmas cards and the prominence of Amanita Christmas ornaments could be hinting at a deeper connection between Santa and the bright red. The native reindeer, common to these northern regions of the world, also sought out the Amanita muscaria as a snack. In fact, another way the shamans would detoxify the mushroom was to allow it to pass through the reindeer's digestive system and collect and consume the urine, which would be free of toxins yet concentrated in its hallucinogenics. Whether the fable of flying reindeer is based on subjective experience in an altered state of mind or not, it remains true that reindeer exist at the heart of these cultures. The similarities in tradition between the modern-day Santa Claus story and the nomadic reindeer herders from Siberia is truly undeniable. A winter solstice celebration of gifts with a snowy Arctic origin, where reindeer are prominent, consisting of pine trees and fireplaces hung with colorful decorations, chimney entrances, and a garb of red and white trim. A mushroom-induced spiritual hallucinogenic journey paired with tales of flying reindeer. Was Santa really a shaman? Well, we don't know for sure, but it's very possible, and it sure makes all the red and white and magic flying reindeer make a lot of sense. Santa who jets around the globe in a magic sleigh with flying reindeer, defying both time and space, it makes a lot of sense. If you go searching for Santa, you may not find him or his elven factory, but you will find groups of indigenous people native to what we know as Siberia. One other one is known as the Evenki. It could have something to do with elves, we don't know. Everyone likes and subscribe to my channel. Have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.